I am Sajid and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'll give you the top 5 reasons why I'm excited for the POCO F3 GT. Yes friends, finally I'm going to say top 5 reasons why I will be exciting, and a lot of other users also really want to know what are the advantages of this POCO F3 GT. So that is what I'm going to mention in this video. So in case if you're planning to buy the POCO F3 GT, this video will be really helpful for you. And one more reason why I'm getting plenty of requests on this POCO F3 GT right now is because I did create the community post whether asking my subscribers whether to buy this phone or not. That is the reason I thought of making this kind of video. And in the post, I think most of the people, they want me to buy. So after seeing this kind of post, so few of the users, they did ask me, why do you think the POCO F3 will be the best? I'll give you the 5 reasons why I do believe the POCO F3 GT might be something different. So number one, first reason, definitely different, obviously, which are the triggers buttons. So this is going to be a really lowest budget mobile phone in India, which has got the physical trigger buttons. We did see the iQOO 3, which has got the presence 2 buttons on the top of this phone, presence 2 buttons. So but we did not see the trigger buttons in India with this kind of price range. The price was expected to be close of 30,000 around. So that is the first key highlight thing which I am really excited and looking forward to buy the phone. And I never tried any kind of trigger phone before, not Black Shark, any other kind of ROG, or maybe Red Magic. I did not try any kind of phones before. And the next reason would be the Dimensity 1200. I'm not that excited, but I just want to see how well this POCO will be managing this Dimensity 1200 and how well it is optimized in the POCO F3 GT. That is what I mean. Because even though both phones, they do have the same kind of Snapdragon processor, for example in the ML and the iQOO 7 device, we did see the very huge difference in terms of the performance. And that is because of the different UIs optimizing their own style. So that is what I just want to see, friends, how well this Dimensity 1200 gonna optimize in the POCO F3 GT. In my testing, that is what I'm going to decide. So after the votes are finalized, I'll definitely plan to buy the POCO F3 GT, so don't worry at all. So in case if you're planning to buy, so make sure wait for the second sale. Don't buy in the first sale, please, because I cannot definitely, friends, I'll get plenty of comments saying that this is not working, that is not working, this is an issue, that is an issue. So just give me 1 week of time. I'll definitely figure out all the issues in the phone. I'll let you know you can buy or not. And the third interesting point about this POCO F3 GT is the battery. The battery is of 5000 mAh capacity, friends, and the 67 watt charger. That's a really good combination. So it's a really rare combination we do see. Usually we did see in the Asus ROG Phone 5, but this is another 30,000 raised price point, which we are seeing the 5000 mAh battery and 67 watt charger. That's a really insane. So just I think a couple of days only I did order my MI 67 watt charger, unfortunately, but we are getting with the POCO F3 GT, so that's a 61 watt charger. That's a really good advantage, I would say. So which can charge in 42 minutes. So 100% in 42 minutes. That's a really another bonus advantage. So this is another part which I'm really interested, battery and the charging part of this POCO F3 GT. And another thing why I'm interested in the display, even the phone has got the OLED display, friends. So I think this will be my first phone to use the OLED panel. So there's another advantage. I just want to see how well the display is optimized. I did see the Twitter images and Twitter posts as well from the POCO. They did highlight this kind of point regarding the display in terms of having the really good OLED display. That is what I'm going to focus next on, this display quality. How is the display quality of this POCO F3 GT gonna be having? And next thing is a build quality. The reason why I said build quality is because the phone has got weight only 205 grams, friends. That's really good, because usually the gaming phones will be around close to 220 grams, maybe 230 grams, somewhere around that. And even the battery size, 5000 mAh of battery size coming under this kind of weight, that's a really good weight for the gamers, even without compromising the screen size. As you can see, friends, it's without compromising screen size. It's like kind of close to Mi11X exactly, but having more battery capacity. That's the one thing you should remember, and that is another advantage. So these are the few things why I really consider buying the POCO F3 GT for the gaming particularly, friends. These are the most essential things. So having the triggering buttons is real thing. Another thing, I need to check on this Dimensity processor as well, how well it is optimized. That's the one thing out of curiosity I just want to try. And having the great battery also is a must for the gamers. Having the fast charging also good for the gamers. So there are a lot of other points which are mainly concentrated for the gamers most of the time. So I'll just see, friends, I just want to know I'm really excited about the pricings. So guess would be 6GB RAM variant might be somewhere around close to 28,999 or 29,999. That is what my guess. So maybe keeping a little bit kind of less than the Mi11X device. That is what I'm expecting, maybe, if possible. So maybe if you see the trend from the MI and the Poco, so they are always managed a little bit kind of less priced than the MI phones, all the Poco phones. That is what I'm considering now. So maybe the MI 11X is at 29,999, 6GB RAM variant. So I wish the 6GB RAM variant might start 1000 less or 2000 less. So that is another thing which I thought just mentioning. And even the Dimensity processors are not that costly when compared with the Snapdragon processors. That is the reason we are getting really less price for the Realme X1 Max, and even for this phone I'm thinking so. That is what would be there maybe. So these are the few things which I'm really excited to see, friends, in the Poco F3 GT. So let me know in the comments below what are other things you want, you are excited. Apart from this one, what are other things you are excited? If you want, you can even mention what are the things you are excited about this phone. My first point will be the triggers, and next battery and the charging, and third would be the display and even the process as well. These are a few things which I thought of just mentioning. And thank you for watching this video, friends. That is the reason why I'm really excited for the Poco F3 GT. And don't forget to participate in the voting, and definitely that will be really helpful for me to decide whether to buy this phone for my next review or not. And see you in the next video, friends. And stay tuned for more updates. Bye.